Hello everyone, I'm gonna share with you some awesome websites that you can earn money online, $100 till $500 a day, just by copying and pasting the contents. If you are ready, please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Breaks. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline, marketing, working and earning money online. To watch more videos like this video, please right now click on the red button below the video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, to help you to master your life and master your business. So here we are. The first website that you can earn money online is Textbroker. Textbroker, actually, there are some websites that they need content. They need some articles about different topics. So also they can't themselves write some articles about the topics that they need. They need some freelancers and some companies that they can do. For example, writing for them, writing some articles for them with a high quality content. And this is a Textbroker website. And this is one of the greatest websites for this. I like it myself also. There is a link here. I write content. As you see, you can click on the payment, and here we are. You see the payments, order quality rating. Actually, for 2 stars, this is for payment per word. And as you see, this is something great. You can earn lots of money. And 5 cents for the 5 stars, actually per word. 5 cents per word. It's something great. And I think the quality rating is related to your word choice, to your grammar, grammar actually. You shouldn't have any grammar mistakes, and the quality of your content. This is so important. And there is a calculator that you can also calculate that how much money you can earn. That's nice. And as you see here, for just 2 stars quality, we can there is no 1 star, just it starts from 2 stars. And here word counter for 1,000 words, you can earn $7 for 1,000 words, just for 2 stars. The quality is 2 stars. For 3, let's $10 for 1,000 words, $10. For 4 stars, $14, and for 5 stars, $50 for just 1,000 words. For 1,000 words, they can pay you $50. But of course, you need to have a great content if you want to earn this amount of money. And let's try make it bigger. For 2,000 words, you can earn $100. That's great. You know, that sounds really interesting. That's why I said this site is really great, and it really works. I mean, because great companies work with this website. I myself like this website a lot. And if you want to really earn money, this is a great choice for you to earn money online. Just the way I'm gonna show you that how you can earn money, this amount, that's how you can earn this amount of money on this website, just by copying and pasting the text. Also, you should use your creativity somehow for earning this amount of money. And this website, as you see, they can pay by PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfer is here. And this is something nice. Another website is Money Pantry. Different websites, vacation, travel, for different topics. As you see, there are different topics. Here we have different topics, and they can pay you different amount of money from, for example, here $100 to $300. That's really nice. And as you see, different price, different $200 per post. $200 per post. So you see, $375 per post. That's really awesome. Just needs your creativity. Needs that how you should know that how you can create a great content. And I'm gonna share with you this way. You see different topics and different amount of money that you can earn on just different websites. There are here. And how we can work with them. For example, for vacation and travel, here we click on this one. Here there is some information that how we can work with them, and you can read it later. And for example, for this topic, vacation and travel, there is a website that we can get content from. This website, it's called Quora.com. Quora.com is a website that people use this website and go to this website to get some info, to get great information, and a lot of people share their information, their content, their articles to answer their questions. For example, if a person asks a question, other people are gonna answer the questions back. And you can use this website. You can type here any questions that you have, any question. And for example, for travel, how to have the best trip. As you see, there are some suggestions. And there are a lot of topics, there are a lot of contents here that you can use, and just by copying and paste, and that's it. There is nothing to do. And of course, it needs your creativity that change something and edit the content and use different articles, different contents in just on one topic, and use them and earn your money. This is the great way that you can earn money online. Just needs your time, your effort. If you spend one day on writing an article, a great article, by using these websites, it really works, and you can see the magic of earning money online just by copying and pasting here. I think Textbroker just works in America, England, and Australia, and Canada, if I'm not mistaken. But this website, no, you can work with these websites, because there are a lot of websites here, 100 websites, and they can work internationally, every country. We can work here just using Quora. And actually there is another website that is so great. You don't need to do anything really. It's like this one, Clicksfly.com. Clicksfly.com, what is it? Shorten URLs and earn money. What's that? Join now and earn on every link you shorten and share up to $150 for 10,000 reviews. So great, You don't need to do anything here. I'm gonna show you how it works. For example, on YouTube, you can search lose weight. you see there are some videos, a lot of videos for that one. You can copy the links, the link address. You can copy the link address here and just paste it here and enter. And you need to sign up for this website. Then after signing up, they give you an address, and you can share this address that this Clicksfly.com will give you. You can use it here. How? You can create an article, a content, just by copy and paste, and or answer a question. For example, what are the best ways to entertain kids on long distance flights? If you have any ideas about this, as you see, if there are 7 answers to this question, if you have any ideas, you can answer this question and also share the links, the video that it's related to this one, exactly related to this answer. You can search this question on YouTube, and then you can use the link on this website to shorten it. Then here we have, yes, you can use the link here to shorten the link, and then share this link below your content, and to get more information they can click on this video to watch the video, because it's really great. If you embed just the video in your article here, they work really great. And just by clicking on your link to watch this video, you can earn money. Just like this, really, just like this. So as you see, there are 2 websites, Textbroker and Money Pantry, and you can share, you can create contents to get information, to get contents from here and edit them in a great way. And then just use these websites for per blog post. You can earn this amount of money, and it really works. It needs your creativity and effort to earn this amount of money. It's not impossible. It's possible for you if you just use the contents that you can get the contents from this website, Quora.com, and because for each question, each topic, there are a lot of answers that you can use them and earn money, just like this. I hope you like this video. Please share this video, and if you know or if you already worked with these websites, please share your experience, your ideas with us, and please leave your comment. And if you have any questions also, please ask me, and I'll join the discussion. Be sure about this one, and I'll answer the questions back. And to watch more videos like this video, please click the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, because every day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.